Hey Wall, a story of art and community, written by Susan Verde. Hey Wall, you are big. A city block big. My city block. Maybe once you were full of style, but no one has taken care of you. You are nothing to look at. You are cold, old, empty. Hey Wall, in the fall, James and I skateboard past you as fast as we can on the way home from school. In the winter, the dirty snow piles up in front of you. No one shovels. Danny and her friends on the block build their snowmen on other sidewalks. In the spring, Grandma Addie drinks iced tea on the stoop. She talks of a time when our neighborhood was beautiful. When you were beautiful. In the summer, the ice cream truck rolls by. We chase it to a spot far from you, where we let the ice cream melt on our tongues. Each day, we all keep our eyes down. We cheer for the tiny flowers pushing through the cracks in the sidewalk, reaching for sunlight. No one looks up at you. There is nothing to cheer for. You are only lonely concrete. Hey, Wall. When we are inside with family, friends, and neighbors, there is love, there is joy. Can you smell what's cooking? We are eating together. Can you hear the stories we share about the way things used to be? Hey, Wall, guess what? I'm ready to change all that. Can you hear our music? We are salsa dancing. We are hip hopping. We are dizzy from spinning. We want to take it to the streets, but you don't dance. You don't laugh. You don't share your stories. I call to my family, my friends, my neighbors. We stand right in front of you, staring you down. You are our wall now. You've become our blank canvas. I've got my pencil, I've got my paints, I've got my dreams. I am a writer, a creator, a game changer, a wall changer. James and Danny brought their sketches. Grandma Addie brought her memories. We've all brought our ideas and imagination. We give you one last look and then we begin. Up on ladders and way down low. Soon we have filled you with colors, creations, energy. You are stone, but you don't have to be hard. Your cracks and bumps and rough edges are our clean slate. Hey, Wall, look at you now. You are beautiful. Now you tell the real story of us. And together we are something to see. Thanks for watching Sally's Oil. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep on reading.